every LLC is required to have a registered agent. It's simply the official contact who receives legal mail for your business at a real street address during business hours. And you've got 3 ways to go here. The first is to be your own registered agent, and that's completely free. The trade-off is that your name and address go on the public record. So if you're working from home, that's your home address out there for anyone to look up. The second is to name someone you know who has a street address in your state, as long as they're happy to do it. And the third is to have Taylor Brands be your registered agent, which keeps your address off the public record entirely. That will run you about $199 a year. And it's worth getting this one right the first time, because once your application is submitted, switching over to Taylor Brands isn't something you can just go back and do. So whenever you're ready to set up your own LLC, don't forget to go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link at the top of the description. That's going to get you the lowest pricing available. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more clear guides just like this. Congrats on taking the first step towards starting your business, and I'll see you in the next video.